So building the rafters is going really well. Almost done with them. So let's talk about rafter distribution. So most of the time when you're building, you're probably starting on one side and you're going to go straight across 16-inch on center, and that's what it is. In this case, it's not how I'm doing it because we're building from the deck here. So I wanted the main post to be in line with the main post on the deck. I thought it would look better, and I still think it does. So in that case, then because of that, I need that rafter to sit right on top of that post, dead center. On each post, I need a rafter. And the reason for that is, also it looks good, I think, but that way I can run supports from the post up to the rafter, just like I have on other projects on both sides. So that makes a lot of supports to put in, but I think it looks great and it's structurally very sound. And we'll even do supports going to the house, just like we did on other projects. So we'll do a video on that too. So they're not necessarily going to be 16-inch on center. For example, this distance did not work out to be 16-inch on center, but it still looks really good. I went from the post on each side even, and then left the little bit of difference in the center. That's fine. Here it turns out it's going to be about 3 and a little bit, so I'll do one from each side and then one in the center, and then we'll have the end one, of course, just like we did on the other side. So it's not typical distribution of the rafters, and the one disadvantage of this is I can't just take an 8-foot, a 12-foot, a 4-foot and start nailing down the boards, the roof boards, because they may not hit on 4, 8, 12, 16. They may not hit rafters because they're not 16-inch center intervals or whatever they are. They're usually marked out on your tape measure in red. So, but that's not a problem. So what if I need to measure most of them and cut a little bit here and cut a little bit there? It's not going to really produce much more waste, most likely. And even if it does a little bit, so what? I'm going to have a solid roof. It's going to look good. Now, we are going to be nailing on solid 1-inch hemlock so that the roof deck will be solid. I'm not leaving gaps. I'm going to put them tight. Now, there will be a little bit of space, but for the most part, I'm going snug. Okay, so I think I have, let's see, guess I should count it out. So we need one more rafter here, one there, and then I need 3 for in there. So basically 5. Okay, I don't think I can get all 5 done tonight, but hopefully I can get a couple more. At least one more. Okay, let's get to it.